Hi there. So here's a demonstration of this All You Need app for your project. I've repurposed one of our other apps to show you a demo of what we're doing. So here, for example, all the services are listed in this screen. You've got a booking screen, you've got a messaging screen, and you've got a profile screen. Let's show you an example of the booking screen. You're looking at booking a house cleaning, you choose the date, and all of this is like a prototype. So feel free to just comment on this. We will be working on details once we sign up for the project. You choose a booking, you start on the rate, you have the details here, you confirm booking, and you're all set. The booking is ready, and you can interact with the person through the app. Whether there's a messaging screen, you just go ahead and message to the provider, and then let's say you start on the service. You start on the service, the progress indicator is up, all the information is done. Again, you can go back and forth with the messaging on the particular service, and then you can mark it complete. Once you mark and complete, you can pay through a third-party system. This is a extensive functionality, which I think is better serviced by a third-party system. Once you've done that, you click it, and your booking is out of the queue. Go back to booking history, and you'll see all the details that you need related to your past bookings. So this is an example of your project. I'd love to discuss further, and happy to converse further more. And I'd love to get an opportunity to work on this using Bubble Mobile as the key interface for this project. Great. Let me know. Please book a call and we'll speak more.